Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Cloud Compute Engine for scalable apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top. If you don't have an existing project, select New Project. Name your project and assign a billing account if required. After creating or selecting a project, go to the left sidebar and click on Compute Engine. Click on VM Instances. If this is your first time, once the API is enabled, click on Create Instance. Choose an appropriate name for your VM instance. Select the desired region and zone for your instance. Select a machine type based on your scalability needs. For scalable apps, consider using E2 series or N2 series machine types. Next, select an OS image for your instance. You can choose from various operating systems like Ubuntu, Windows Server, or others. Scroll down to the firewall settings. Make sure to check Allow HTTP traffic and Allow HTTPS traffic for web applications. Click on Management, Security, Disks, Networking, Sole Tenancy to customize additional settings. In the Disks section, select additional disk options if needed. For scaling, consider attaching labels to your instance. Labels help identify and manage multiple VMs more efficiently. Now, click on Networking to configure the network settings. You can set a static or ephemeral IP address based on your requirements. If necessary, modify the network tags for better control over firewall rules. Once you have configured everything, click on the Create button. Your VM instance will now be created. Once the instance is up and running, you can connect to it via SSH from the console. In your instance list, click on the SSH button for direct access. After connecting, you can begin installing your application dependencies. For scalability, consider setting up an autoscaler in the Instance Groups section. Create a managed instance group and define the scaling policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.